Hello and welcome to my course. My name is Martin CA. In this course, I'm going to show us how to create a payment link using Flutterwave. So if you have been trying to set up a payment link, let's say for instance, you want to charity organization, you want to send a donation button or link to your donors, or you are selling a specific product, a brand that you don't have a website. I want to collect payment in a legit manner, so that you get trusted by your buyers. You can use a payment link to collect payment through Paystack. Well, in this video, I'm not going to walk us through the setup process or the account setup process. I assume that you've already signed up on Flutterwave. But if you have not done that, don't worry. I'm going to do a short video that will show you all the process that you take to set up a Flutterwave account. But if you can navigate through it, I'm going to drop the link to the sign up page where you can sign up through my link on Flutterwave. So without wasting much time, I'm going to dash straight to the training. As you can see, this is my Flutterwave account. I've logged in my account. There are a lot of options, but our main focus today is going to be on the payment link. So when you log in your account, you go straight to payment link. You click on payment link. When you click on payment link, this page will open. So when this page open, you can see I have one payment link already created 5 days ago. So you see at the top right hand, you see an option to create payment link. So just click on create payment link. So when you do that, you see a pop-up window will appear. And the pop-up window will have 3 different type of payment link you can create. One is single charge. Single charge allows you to create payment link for your customers, just like I earlier explained. So subscription link, create links where your customer can subscribe to your services. So let's say for instance you are offering subscription services, or you have let's say for instance you have a membership site. You can create a subscription link for a membership site, or you have a web app that people subscribe to. You can as well do that using a subscription link. Now for those in NGO sector or government or anything parastatal that requires donation and all that, church and all that, you can use a donation link. You create donation page. It's really simple. So for this tutorial, I'm going to focus on single charge. So we'll click on single charge. When you click on single charge, it will ask you payment link name. So let's name it WhatsApp training. WhatsApp training. So how much are we charging? Let's say we're charging 4,000 naira. So 4,000 naira. Description, you can, let me just, to make it short, I don't want short. So, to make it short, we just copy this guy. You can put your description, what your payment details or payment link you are creating entails, everything you need to enlighten the people that want to respond to your payment link. So you can put your description here. So if you want to explore more options, use a custom URL. You can use a custom URL. Let's say, okay, let's say we're using, so that we'll know, let's assume you are creating or you have multiple payment link created. You can customize it so that when you see it, you know that okay, this link is meant for this and the other link is meant for that, you know. So in my own custom, I'm putting a WhatsApp training. Let's see if it will be available. Then redirect after payment. So what this simply means is that when someone, after making payment on maybe on your single product or anything you're offering, where do you want to redirect, you know, the customer to or the client? So let's assume you are selling a downloadable product, let's say an ebook. When the customer purchase or complete payment, the link to download the ebook should, you know, be here. Let's assume it's on your Dropbox. You copy the link and paste here. So once the person finish payment, making payment, this link will automatically appear for him or her to click and go straight to the offer or what he or she has purchased. So for the purpose of this lesson, let me just use my website pmarkrecords.com.ng as an example. So I'll just go back to Flutterwave. I'll paste it here. So after making payment, you'll be redirected to this site. So collect extra information. So you want to collect extra information. You want the person's name. Let's say you want the email address, first name, email. Okay, it's duplicate, so email already exists. Phone number, you can add phone number. Let's assume phone number. So you can add as many lines as you wish to. So after adding this line, all you just simply do is click on create link. Wow, payment link was created successfully. So we have successfully created a payment link. So you can decide to delete your payment link. You can decide to edit it. So you can decide to share it. So let's view this and see how our payment link will look like. So you can see WhatsApp training. So once your client or your customer says it's okay for WhatsApp training, you can see the URL showing us that flutterwave.com/pay WhatsApp training. So you are paying for WhatsApp training. So by who? By PMark Technology. WhatsApp training. The first name of the person, the last name, the email address, and the phone number. You see, we included this option for phone number. So with this email, we can retarget them or send them messages to thank them for purchasing, or also inform them of any latest update from our end. Email, phone number, you can call them, send them tests and all that. So you see, by default it's already set to 4,000, so no one can edit it. So it's not editable because it's one time or a single product. So once, if you have any question, contact. So this is my email. You can contact me through this email. It says secure by Flutterwave. So once you click on pay now, to redirect you, you know, because I've not entered my name and all that. So once you fill in these details that are compulsory, just click on pay. It will take you. Okay, let's do this. You can see PMark Technology, 4,000 naira. This email, it doesn't exist, so I'm not going to proceed. So you see card number, you put your card number, validity, CVV. You just click on pay, and your account OTP will be sent to you. You authorize, and payment will be initiated. So you can pay with USSD, you can pay with bank, you can pay with bank transfer, pay with M-Visa, pay with barter by Flutterwave. I will also be doing a video on that very soon. So pay with pay attitude, and pay in 14 days. So you see, these are the options you can explore to pay through Flutterwave. So having said all this and shown us the process of setting a payment link, I believe you too can create a payment link and start receiving payment now for your goods or services without even having a website. So thank you so much. If this video has really helped you, don't forget to give us a thumb up. Don't forget to like us, share to your friends, and also click the bell icon so that you get notified each time we send fresh content. So thank you so much for watching. I remain my humble self, Martin CA. God bless you for watching. Bye for now.